Hello, I'm Grace, and this is my app, MoviesSocial. This was a phase 3 project in the Flatiron software engineering program, bootcamp program. And what this is it is a app for people to search their movies by movie title and save those movies to their own library so that they can pull that up later and look through them. This was midway through the boot camp, and we had not gotten to authentication yet, but I knew it was coming up. So wanted to go ahead and put this here. There's not actual authentication with it, but when we put in the name, it does take you to the user's movies that are saved there. So have that I was prepping for what was coming up after that. But here you can see there's a list of movies, and if it's somebody that is not already a user, this would just show up blank. It just take you to my blank movies, and you'd have to go over here and then search for movies. And you can do that by title, and it'll bring them up. The database that we use for this, it was a third-party API called OMDB API. And it's a really robust database, which is great. I actually didn't have any movies that I wanted to search for that it wouldn't bring up. And I even tried a few I thought were a little more obscure, but it brought them up every time. So I didn't find any that stumped it. But by this, it can search for partial titles. So dance doesn't have to show up first. Dance is in the title, so it shows the first 10 results, and we limited the results displayed to the first 10. So with each of these, you can click on it, and it pulls up this modal with information about the movie. And these were the items that I usually find a little bit more interesting that I might actually refer to. So that's what I included on these cards. And of course, it has a picture, the cover here as well, along with the information that all is displayed on these cards. So from here, I can add these, to my movies. I'll just add a few of them. And then we go back over here and can see my movies that I have liked. They're there. And then also over here, notice when I click on these, I have added a couple of items here, which is my rating and my review. Because we have the IMDb one, which is nice to reference, but also if we want to be able to see what my own thoughts were on it, I have those here. So I have those, I believe I've done those on a few of these here. Yeah. And we can get to that by clicking on this review, and you can also change your review or leave a new one simply. I haven't actually seen this. I'll just say this was a sad movie. I think that's true. And I'll just say middle of the road. I'm always a big fan of sad movies. And that's how you leave a review. So that is there. And then one of the other things with this as well is when you go over here, and then I'll just say dance again. When you search movies, it will show you what movies are already in your movies and what are not. So you can know right here. You can also just remove them if you want to. Like I'll just leave Shall We Dance, the other two dance ones I took off. And there we have it. So that is MoviesSocial. And like I said, it's a nice little tool for just having a repository of movies that you like or might even want to watch in near future. So if you're ever doing a movie night or something, or last minute get together with some people and a movie comes up but you don't have anything planned, you can pull up MoviesSocial and see what is in your list to kind of help get the ball rolling. All right, that's it.